So here today I will be using this Lakme eyeliner, which is wet in texture, so you need to be very careful while applying this. First, starting with the application, you just need to follow your eye shape, because then you can't go wrong. Follow the shape of your eye till the end of your eye, and then you need to draw a line which should be slightly upward towards your eyebrow. Try to make it as straight as you can. Then you need to join both the lines and kind of make a triangle. Then darken this one and fill the part which was left unfilled. You're good to go. And if you want to extend your winged liner, then you can. It will just give you a more dramatic look.